Hi, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Chef Chris. After all of us being cooped up with the coronavirus going around, I figured this episode will be how to make a nice stiff drink. And in this case, we're going to make one of the classics, which is one of my favorites, a whiskey old fashioned. And you can look on my website, which is www.chefchrisbustle.com, for the recipe. And anyway, we're going to start with a rocks glass and a nice large cube of ice. And put that in the glass. And now we're going to build the drink over the ice and just stir it briefly at the end. The classic way to make a cocktail is you start by putting the least expensive ingredients in first and build your way up to the most expensive ingredients. So in this case, an old-fashioned ingredients consist of simple syrup, bitters, the whiskey, and then the garnish. So we start with the ice cube, and now we're going to start with the simple syrup, which I've used with Damara sugar, which is a nice little light brown, natural, unrefined sugar. And that's going to be 10 milliliters or 2 teaspoons. I'm going to measure out 2 teaspoons. And we're going to put that in there. Now I'm going to put in 1/8 of a teaspoon of the bitters. And I like to use orange bitters as opposed to the Angostura bitters. And there we go. Now we're going to add 2 ounces of whiskey, and I like to use a nice rye whiskey. In this case, it's High West whiskey from Park City, Utah. Very nice. 2 ounces is also 60 milliliters, or a 1/4 cup. Pour that in. Now at this point, I'm going to take my stirring spoon, and I'm just going to stir this drink twice. You don't want too much diffusion of the ice. You just got about just enough to mix the ingredients. And put that in there. Now we're going to put the garnishes on. Now this, you could stop right here, and this is the classic old fashioned. I like to finish it off with a little bit of orange zest, a nice little twist of orange, which I like to rub the rim with. Drop that in there. And 1 Traverse Whiskey Company maraschino cherry. I'm going to drop that in there. Cheers.